Hi, I'm Jim Forte, Wire Mold Product Line Manager for Legrand Furniture Power Centers. The average person walks around with between 3 and 4 mobile devices that all need to be charged. Once their devices fall below 20% charge, people get very nervous and start to look for mobile charging. Let's take a look at a typical scenario in a commercial office. Mike is arriving at Legrand for a meeting. His phone, unfortunately, is very low on charge. Looking around, he can't find any place to charge his phone. Looks like it's going to be a bad day for Mike. Let's look at that scenario again, this time with the addition of Legrand Furniture Power Centers. Once again, Mike arrives for a meeting at Legrand. His phone, unfortunately, is very low on charge. This time, Mike's able to charge his phone using the Legrand Furniture Power Center. Looks like Mike is going to have a great day. So I want to make you aware of a tremendous opportunity for Legrand Furniture Power Centers. Areas to target include, but are not limited to, facilities that have lobbies, waiting rooms, cafeterias, or restaurants. When these spaces are renovated, furniture power will likely be added. However, these spaces may not be renovated for 10 or 15 years. Therefore, there's a tremendous opportunity to sell furniture power into these facilities through the facility manager. The facility manager can retrofit furniture power centers to their existing furniture, allowing their tenants to charge their devices now rather than have to wait for the next renovation cycle. Our job is to make facilities managers aware of Legrand Furniture Power Centers and show them how easy and affordable they are to install. Installation couldn't be more simple. Just cut an opening in your furniture using the supplied template. The Adorne Furniture Power Center just pushes in, completing the installation. The Legrand Furniture Power Center offerings include the Adorne Compact Furniture Power Center has 2 outlets, 1 USB port with 2.4 amps total charging, and has a cost to the facility manager of approximately $75 with a wall plate. The Adorne Standard Furniture Power Center has 2 outlets, 2 USB ports with 4.8 amps total charging, and has a cost to the facility manager of approximately $125 with a wall plate. Marketing materials available to you include cut sheets, sell sheets, this video, installation videos, and guide form specifications.